Hey everyone, it's Deb Seal here with 31. I am actually outside or inside a barn at a county fair, but I wanted to show you another one of our fall products that I think you're going to fall in love with. Now, this is great if you're a camper, if you are a sports mom, if you are someone that just does outdoor entertaining, whether that's going to concerts or just to your backyard with friends, right? This is something that's going to make your life so much easier. So let me introduce you to our portable snack table. So here it is. So this is our portable snack table. As you see here, a table on the go, collapsible and portable. So what's wonderful about this is you're going to see there's these kind of mesh areas where you can keep your drinks or your sodas. Great place to put chips or snacks. And then down here, underneath, see we have a thermal right here, and it actually zips closed. So you can put some ice packs in there, and you can use that in order to keep things nice and easy to keep nice and chilly. Now, all of this, the reason it's collapsible and portable, it fits into one of these camping chairs type of bags. Kind of hard to show you the whole thing. Just fits. It's just this tall, right? So super easy. Here's the thing I've learned about these camping tables. So apparently most of the brands that are out there, you have to snap these tops on and off, which just makes it so much harder to set up. Don't do that with our 31 one. With these, you see these little tension straps? All you do is unhook it, there's 4 of them, and it just collapses right up. You put it right in the bag. To open it, you just open it up, and all you do is clip those tension straps and pull them. 30 seconds to set up, 30 seconds to tear down. So easy, all in one piece. Something absolutely wonderful. And again, this is great for anything outside. I'm not going to be juggling all those water bottles and everything at sports now. All the snacks and everything are going to be right there on the field with me. If you want to see more, or if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. You can also shop it at www.my31.com/DebSeal.